Good day, it's Martin from Eurocar Upgrades. Today we would like to showcase a bi-turbo setup from Volkswagen Amarok. So we've recently been working on 2013 Volkswagen Amarok with EGR cooler and EGR valve leaking inside the head. Unfortunately the head has been cracked and beyond repair, so we had to get a new head for it. There was also a little bit of water in the turbo and a little bit of play in the impeller. So what we've done, we've gotten a turbo rebuilt by Perun-turbo, and what this entails, the smaller turbo just gets the new forged alloy parts on it, so the top of the range parts instead of just run-of-the-mill parts that they put in them in the factory. And the bigger turbo gets slightly changed geometry. I'll show you what I mean. So this is the old impeller from the turbo. You can see how it looks, and on a close-up, and this is the new impeller that's inside it now. So you can see that's slightly different geometry. This is not a major modification on it, simply because it is a bi-turbo setup, so they have to work together in pair. But we are hoping to get this 2013 Amarok with these newly rebuilt turbos by Perun-turbo, running about 240 brake horsepower and hopefully about 550 Newton meters in torque. We'll see if we can get to it. Fingers crossed. If you've got a turbo that's been seized and it's in need of a rebuild and you're chasing a bit more power, feel free to contact Eurocar Upgrades. We're all happy to help. Now our number is 075479 5555. Thank you for watching, and bye.